Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover disabled Facebook account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'll be showing you the simple and safe methods to recover a disabled Facebook account using the official Facebook Help Center. When you try logging into your Facebook account, you may see a page informing you that your account has been disabled. Don't worry, this means Facebook has temporarily restricted your account and you still have a chance to recover it. The first thing you need to do is open any browser such as Chrome or Safari. In the search bar, type Facebook Help Center and tap on the result that leads to the official Facebook Help Center. Once the Help Center page loads, you can start the first recovery method. Tap on the three-line menu icon at the top right corner. A new menu will appear. From this list, select Login, Recovery, and Security. When the next page opens, tap on Account Recovery and then choose the option Recover an Account. You will now be taken to the Account Recovery page. Scroll down and tap on My account is suspended or disabled. This opens a page titled My personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled. On this page, Facebook clearly states, we may suspend your Facebook account if we find that the account or activity on it may not follow our community standards. You can appeal the suspension within 180 days. If you don't appeal within 180 days, or if your appeal is unsuccessful, your account will be permanently disabled. This means you must appeal as soon as possible. To appeal your disabled account, scroll down until you see the section titled Was this helpful? And choose No, because the disabled account issue cannot be solved automatically. A new box will appear asking what went wrong. Select the option The solution doesn't work. After that, another box will appear that says Can you say more? This is where you explain your issue. You can write something like Hello Facebook team. My Facebook account was disabled by mistake. I always follow Facebook's community standards and believe this was an error. I use this account for personal communication with my family and friends, so I would really appreciate your help in recovering it. Name, your full name, profile name, your name as it appears on Facebook. Email, the email linked to the account. Date of birth, your date of birth. Thank you for your time and assistance. After writing your message, click Submit. A confirmation message will appear saying, Thanks, your feedback helps improve this answer for everyone. Once that is done, all you need to do is wait for Facebook to respond and review your appeal. And that's it. So that's basically you can recover disabled Facebook account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.